Hey guys, I just received something. Someone sent this to me in my private email. Hope you guys enjoy it. Big shout out to you. Stay tuned.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Okay, guys, a few days has passed right now. I want to go ahead and give a big shout out to homeboy Froggy. He actually emailed me this 3D print. It's basically it's my old logo that I had a long time ago, and he made a 3D printout of it. But I've been having a little trouble to opening it. When I had the software, and then I switched to another software. This did not want to. Oh, hang on, my computer's bugging out. So here's the deal. Here it is right here. That is it right there. Now every time I click on it, it'll take time for it to load. Okay, now it's all up. This is what it says. Invalid file. Cannot open. I don't know why it won't, but... So basically, that's what I've been having trouble with. I've been toying around with it. I had to delete it, re-download it again. Still nothing, so... I think if it's under G-code, it will work, but it's not under G-code. And I took a look at the other files I downloaded from my normally upload, but still nothing. And they upload just fine, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and toy around with this. So hope you guys like it. Catch you guys later. I'm very, very disappointed in my computer right now for doing this stuff. So see you guys next time.